All right, welcome back. So yesterday we were working on master bathroom and I was showing you different storage bins for drawers. Now I use the everything bin from the Container Store, which I really like. They come in a variety of sizes. You can order them individually so you get exactly the quantities you need. So there's a lot of positives there. One of the things I struggle with is the price point. So I do feel like the price per each is higher than what I like to spend. So I have actually been looking for some alternative container options, and I found some at Walmart. So today I am going to open these up and show you what I found, and we're going to compare them to the Container Store. So I'm going to go ahead and get these opened. I have yet to see these, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to be finding here, but the name brand is LeaderPro, and they offer kits. So this is their 13-piece kit. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so that looks like all the pieces. So we are gonna do just some comparison here between the everything bins. So I got a few different bins here that I'll show you. I intentionally left items in these bins just to give you a feel for the actual size of them. So I'm gonna start with, this is one that I showed you yesterday in my bathroom. This is the 3x3x2, so the depth is the 2. And it looks like the LeaderPro has a similar size here. So it might be just a smidge smaller, so a little under 3 inches by 3 inches. But in terms of quality, I mean, they're both a nice, thick, sturdy plastic. The depth looks very similar, so that's good. The inside actually has a few little raised bumps, so from a grip perspective, that might be a good thing. But overall, I think that looks good. So let's keep going. So that's the 3x3. I also showed you yesterday the 3x6. So this I use for like chapsticks, nail clippers, tweezers, those types of things. So let's see what their next size here is. This also looks very similar in size. Put them next to each other. You know, again, I think maybe just a smidge, like barely any smaller. Actually, the interior capacity looks the same. It's just like the trimming on the outside that might be a touch smaller. So, again, I think this is a win. Now, I should mention that these are about a quarter of the price per each. So, one of the downfalls is you're going to get whatever combination of pieces come with the package. So, if there's a certain size you use a lot of, so like I like these 3x6s. I do not use many 3x3s in my own personal house. So the fact that they come with, it looks like 3x3s and only 4 of the 3x6s. Like the quantities might be a little off. I might have to order a couple of these sets to get the exact number of pieces I need. But at a quarter of the price, I'm better off buying 2 sets than I am to go to the Container Store and buy my individual items. So, okay, let's just keep on moving here. So this looks like a 6x6. So I have not shown you one of these yet, but I do use this in my kitchen junk drawer. So in my junk drawer, I've got a little home maintenance bin that is 6x6. Again, man, I'm not gonna call, I feel like this is gonna be a winning set here. So moving right along, this looks like the 3x9. So I use the 3x9 in a couple different places. My silverware drawer, I use a lot of 3x9s. In my junk drawer, they fit pencils and pens great. So looks like they've got some 3x9s. Came with a few of those, so that's good. And then let's see what this size is here. Woo, stuck together. Okay. So this looks like the 6x9. So again, in my junk drawer, I use the 6x9. My scissors are usually in here too. So that's just to give you a good. Okay, so I am calling this a win. I think this is a great set. Quality looks really nice. At least it also looks similar to the Container Store quality. Now, what I am noticing is, and I noticed this when I ordered it too, is that there are some other sizes that the Container Store offers that this LeaderPro pack does not have. So for example, I use this 12 by 3. So this holds knives really nicely. They do not have a 12 by 3 or something similar. I use a 12 by 6 in a lot of my drawers. So this came out of my silverware drawer. So just some miscellaneous kitchen tools. And I use a 15 by 6 for larger items such as spoons, spatulas, that type of thing. So they are lacking in some of those sizes. But overall, I think if this was my, let's see if I can get that in view here a little bit. So if this was my silverware drawer, I do think that I could just put some of these other items next to here. And even though they are a slightly different style, at a glance, I don't know that anybody's gonna notice. So I do think that I could use these in combination with the Container Store Everything bins in the sizes that they don't have to really set up a really functional space. So I'm gonna call this a win. They had a variety of sizes. I opened up the 13 piece for you. I know they've got a 27 piece. They've got just a variety of different pieces. So my biggest tip here would be figure out exactly what sizes you want or need. And then when you're looking at the different kit options, try to find the one that's got the closest quantities to what you actually will use. So there you go. I call this a win. Let me know which questions you have, what thoughts you have. And I've got a variety of these products in stock and ready for use. So if you are looking for someone to help you get organized and would like to start with some drawers, let me know.